Today I am going to show you how you can make rain in Photoshop.
Subscribe 73 Editing and press the bell icon and never miss any update.
First, open your image. With the background layer selected, go to Window, and then Actions. Now, inside of Actions, click on this grid, right over there, and click on Image Effects. Image Effects show up. Now, inside Image Effect, select the light rain, and with the background layer selected, just click on the play button. Now let's close it, and have a look at the rain, but it's very dull, right? Let's make a copy of the rain layer, press Ctrl or Command+J. Now, let's move the rain to the faraway place, as the faraway place will have more droplets, Ctrl or Command+T, and let's make it a little smaller. Let's place it right over there, and just click on the mask button. Now, with the brush tool selected, foreground color black, just paint out the edges. You are good to go. You can add as many layers of rain as you want, and this is the final result.
For more update, subscribe to our channel, click the show link and enjoy watching the videos.